Okay, at this point, we just want to look at what I'll call a bonus, working with demo content, Now, you see what we did through this course is to build a website from scratch. We started with a blank WordPress installation and we ended up with a functional website. But there are demo contents that people use in WordPress that they just edit from pre-built websites. Different themes come with pre-built websites that people can edit and to suit their own needs. So let's look at working with demo content. Now I'm going to run this on the same installation that we have been working with since the beginning of the course. And note that when you install a demo content, you lose whatever you have on that website. So if it's a fresh installation and you just install a demo content, that's fine. But if it's a site you already have built on and you want to install demo content, note that you will lose the site that you have built before that. So the best thing is, if you don't want to lose that, then you can do a backup like we saw in the lesson on how to create backups. You can do a backup, download the backup so that you can always restore it when you need it. So now, working with demo content. Some themes have demo content, and there's a beautiful theme here that I'm going to use. So let's come to, where do we have themes again? Can you remind me? I thought you would say it is under here. Yeah, come to appearance, themes, and then add new. So I'm going to upload a theme now, and it's part of what you'll get in the freelancer starter pack. So I'm going to upload a theme. It's called Alone theme. So Alone. Yep. So install now. So let's activate here. So we see plugins and demo content. You just scroll down and install plugins and demo content. So you just give it some time because it's actually downloading all the plugins that come with the demo site and installing them, and of course activating them. So that will take quite some time. Sorry, you are not allowed to access this page. If for some reason you get this type of error, just clear your address bar up to wp-admin. So this will take you to your dashboard. So such errors could pop up from time to time. Just clear that and go back to your dashboard with your wp-admin. Okay, so here we see this install demo. Hey, thanks for your used Alone theme. Of course, wrong grammar there. So install demo, you click on install demo. So here, all these are demo sites, fully built websites that you can install, and edit to suit your purpose. All these. So any of these, you can choose to install any of these, right? So let's say I take this, I just click on install. This is a website for conferences, important installing. So it's telling you that you're going to lose whatever site you already had on this installation, So of course I don't mind that. So installing is going to take some time too because it will download all the pictures and all the files that are part of the website. Oh, what's the problem? Let's refresh this. Let's just refresh this and see. Of course, such errors could pop up from time to time, but your job is to make sure you walk around them. So let's install again. Okay. Okay, it's installing. This whole process will take a while. So just be patient with the process, even though it appears as if nothing is happening. Just wait. Okay, so here we are. This is it. So this is our new website. Voila. Isn't this beautiful? Here. So all you have to do now is go to the back end and edit this information the way you please, change pictures, content, disable some rows, columns, just work on it as you choose. But this is your website and you have all the pages you would need. If you need more pages, you could add more pages. So here, nice. Now, can I hear you say, why didn't you just show us this at the beginning? Why did you have to take us through all that process of installing plugins and themes and widgets? This is not what makes you a website designer using WordPress. It is what we did through the course that actually gives you the skills you need. So this is just demo content, and without having those skills, you can't really edit demo content. And of course, this is not always the route you'll be going. Sometimes you might want to do this, sometimes you might want to start from scratch. But this is a fast way to get things done. And most of these themes sell high. I'm going to be giving you a couple of them among your freelancer starter pack so that you could use it to start serving clients and serving the market as the case may be. So you just if you come here to the back end, if you come to pages, you can just see it's still very familiar. There's not much difference. Okay, so it now says database update required. So update WordPress database. That's because of what we just installed. So continue. Here we are. So you'll notice that you now have new plugins here. You have WooCommerce, we still have WP Forms, and we still have all the rest, but you have some new plugins that you didn't have before. So WooCommerce is for shopping stores, online shopping stores, if you want to create that. So here are our pages. Let's look for the home page. Here, home, front page. Okay, so here, this is your slider. This is, if you check here out, you have your slider, then you have these 3 columns here: airport pickup, accommodation. If you check the back end, you see it here. These are the 3 columns you have here with the featured boxes. Check here, you have, this is 2 columns here. Check over here, you have them 2 columns here. You have the image, you have, if you check, so that's just it. You have 3 columns here. Come over here, these are those 3 columns. Yeah, so that's it. So you can edit this as you choose. You can delete, change images. You have a background image here. Wherever you see this, it means there is an image at the background. So here, over here, this image is a background image here. So if you want to edit this, you click on this edit icon. It comes up. Then to check the background image, you come to design options, and here, that's the image at the background. You can always change it, right? Close that. Here, there's a color at the background. You can edit the content, you can delete it, you can duplicate, you can do everything that you have learned how to do. All your skills will now come into play here. So this is like adding turbocharge to your skills. You can always install a demo content, and instead of building from scratch, you can now start editing that to serve your market. I would like to see the first website you build for a fee. So if you get your first client this week or next week or whenever it is, I just want to see what your first commercial website will look like. So please send me the link in the forum and I will be happy to give you some input on it. And of course, if you have any issues as you work, feel free to reach me on the forum and I'll be there to respond to your issues. And I believe you will have a great time as you build, whether it's a freelance business or a full company or just a career, or whatever it is you want to do with these skills, I believe you'll have a great time doing that. Thank you very much for being part of this course. I believe you found it helpful, and please do recommend it for others to also help them in their entrepreneurship journey. Thank you. Bye-bye.